What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we got a little something in the mail, and might as well do a little stash ads. Why not? Because I'm not really getting much farther on the truck because it's pretty much ready for paint, and probably gonna wait for the weekend for that. But figured let's do this little quick video. I finally got the Auto Modeler magazine, the very first issue of this magazine company. If you have never seen my video on this or on them at the Syracuse Naturals, go check that out. That video gives you more thorough depth of the actual, like how they got into the magazine or how they got started, and it just tells you about them and tells you. Basically, I did a walk around with Scott over there. Asked, I wanted to ask him, what are you looking for on your models when you are looking, to get pictures of them on the table, and he explained to me what he's looking for. So that was a really cool video. I'll leave that video in the description. But we finally got the first issue. I'm not gonna go over it because, again, I do want you to purchase this magazine for yourself. But I will go to, I'll probably show you one or two, maybe four pages of that. But just a little bit of things in here. And this magazine, it has some different stuff in here than Model Cars magazine. Model Cars magazine, I mean, they will show you some stuff, but these guys in this magazine, they actually show you on how to do certain stuff. It's really, really cool. Let me go ahead and find one of them for you. It's really something. And they just tell you, basically, oh, here we go. Here's a cool one. So here's one of the pages I will show you. So on how to do a hood pins. And they tell you on how to do that. They explain everything, measure, or tape the hood down and drill. It's really, really good info, and it's very, very cool. So you get that, and then of course they are going to model car shows, which here's another example of their how-tos. It's really cool. So very cool, very unique, and it's very, very neat. And then of course there's model car shows coverage in here as well, but I'm not going to get into that. But very cool, and yeah, very, very nice magazine. It's pretty high quality, and of course they do talk about 3D printing, 3D files. So they're doing 3D printing builds. It's really, really cool. So give this magazine a subscribe if you have not. I did not subscribe on time for the first issue, so I went ahead and got this magazine off of Spotlight Hobbies. So, but very cool. So I just want to show that, and go, like I said, go check out that video about them. It's really, really something. So speaking of Spotlight Hobbies, I figured since I was over there getting a magazine, I figured might as well get a kit. I saw this kit was out. This is a really highly anticipated model from Tamiya. This is a reissue of this Alfa Romeo, the Italian car. First issue 1997 and reissue in 2024. Really cool. I seen a lot of people got this kit on YouTube, and I was like, yeah, I'd probably get that kit. That's kit really cool. I seen some people build it already on Facebook. It's a very nice kit, I heard, and people are really happy Tamiya brought it out. So I have never built this kit. I've never even knew Tamiya had this kit, obviously, and it's really cool they brought it back out. Tamiya, like I said, Tamiya, they're bringing out a lot of really cool kits. Not only new kits, but they are reissuing a lot of older car kits this year. It's really, really something. It's really cool. So we got that. Another one I picked up was another reissue, the Tamiya Toyota Soar. I do have another Soar in my stash, but this one is a Soar 2000. So really cool. I'm not sure when it first issued. I'm not sure if it says it on here. Yep, 1981 to 2023. So very cool. 1981. Wow. This was a really old kit. That's so cool. And guys, yeah, Tamiya is really cool. They're reissuing these older kits, and I believe this one has engine detail. I'm not sure if it does or not. I know the other one I have has a full engine, but very cool. I figured get this because this is a very unique car, and figured why not pick it up. It's only like 25 bucks. I mean, it's very cheap. So a few other kits I picked up. I had to get a few kits in my hobby shop. We got a Camaro. This is a 1970 Camaro Z28 full bumper edition. Just in case you don't know about the full bumper edition, this is an add-on part of this kit, because I did build this version years ago. I think before I started my YouTube channel. I remember the front end of this car was a real pain in the butt to glue together, because there's multiple pieces and there's a huge seam. So they retooled that, and so that's pretty cool. And the reason why I got this kit was because I might do it for the theme of the Fulton show coming this November. So because the theme is just Camaros, so Camaros is the theme. So we might do this up, give it a nice paint job, and do something pretty unique with it. Maybe make it into like a street machine kind of thing with some custom wheels. Not sure yet. I do like these tires though, the Goodyear, but we'll see. But very cool. I figured pick that up. Alongside, I figured pick up a few more. These are probably one of my favorite kits. Had to pick up another 65 Chevy step-side pickup. This is a really anticipated kit. Really neat. A couple of reasons why I picked this up. For one, because it's a cool truck. And two, I have some plans with it in the future. One of them is going to be for a appreciation build we're doing for someone in the community later on in the year. So we got that one, and we also got this one as well, the fleet side as well. So really cool. It's basically the same kit. The only difference is the bed obviously, and it has a different engine and wheels, but the cab is literally the same. So but yeah, really neat. So got those as well. And then one more for the trucks. We got the new Mobius Mercury 1968 M100 pickup. I never knew Mercury made a pickup. Well, it's basically a Ford. I mean, Mercury is Ford, but I didn't know they even made a pickup. They said it's basically a Canadian truck. It's mostly made for the Canadians, but it's basically the F100, I heard, or the basically the F100. So it's basically the Ford F100 here in the United States, but just with the Mercury name on it. I thought that was pretty unique, and I just love these Mobius models. I love the art boxes, and yeah, very cool. I think that's a must pick up. But that's it, guys. Just want to do this real quick video. Show you I got the magazine, really cool, and just little stash ads. So very neat, and yeah, so that was pretty good. That's a pretty good stash ads, and I'm glad I got this magazine. It's super cool. Again, if you guys not have subscribed to this magazine, I'll leave a link in the description to the website where you can subscribe. If not, then you can just go to Spotlight Hobbies, or I think Model Roundup has it. Usually. Yeah, there we go, Model Roundup. So yeah, Spotlight Hobbies, Model Roundup, pretty cool. Any of those retailers will have it as well. So, but alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you guys next time.